Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Happy Sunday. Yenina. Osisi yangibhalera awusithuzi nolikayi wena bophela bunyakombo. Athi hey bafuna ukungikhipha ubuhleva. Uri awusithuzi ngiblela sokuthudi ngeke stay because of uthanda izinto, uthanda imali. Uthi awusithuzi nanekele student sothi sisule bhang. The university student, life was lifing back then, but like singing financial one. So there was this girl who school like kuma events la was serious here at the top dog one. So girl was like, you know what, when in hotspot then I sent him saying to promoter cause me now I'm part of lama ladies la hamba promoter like from section to section kuma mosi kuma the event thing, but so as joinani or I was choosing le phanga I vele vena ngajamba ingathi mina ngiyifuna imali ngifuna uba muhle ngifuna enjoy life or I was choosing university student ne far away from home like mawushuka la uyithi is about 5 hours to go home. So like nekele hole nekele freedom bengeke umuntu ngathi uzotshila umamami, and by then internet was like no see expose like now ka TikTok kulona. Ora I was just vele ngabe nenkinga okay vele as hotspot to this guy vele o run ama promotions vele oleng incharge ama promotions as spot kuye uguy vele uthi aspect vele afuna abantu abappetite liba ibatla le banyana babaleng clean man likhala like i-account because ofuna someone who will attract abantu kulona. Uthi okay no problem. I mean ngelo boni pear shaped male waka like sharp open so fela Power Brothers was like okay when now you winner vele bakhetha bayeka vele baba neskin esidark and then like ba check like body size size band like vele bona ba specific umuntu obamfunayo. I want to to tick all those boxes. Uthi mina vele ngathika vele ngafika vele ngathika everything bangithatha I was choose time. I remember there was this promotion lapho sisebenzela bese we promoter khona something yabona uthi kule area le bese khona bekune angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani. I don't want to expose these things. Bekune uthi la bese promoter khona like momo long over long promoter ko thing, and then there was yo ngithi ufuna ukuyibeka like I don't want to expose man yo Dorsendo la beka promoter khona emall bekune event yabona yama like laba bala South Africa laba basiphethe yabona bekune event not far from the mall yabona. So uthi baya promoter vele bayaza vele ngalipika vele uzabalaza uyaqoliwa vele like yabona busy. Uthi thina sivele besing almost ku entrance yasemall, so mawuphuma ngaphandle maybe let's say uyodla something yabona, so you can feel and hear vele izinto ezenzeka that side. Uthi awushozi ki first day yakhe kya promoter ki first day sigqokela ibham short neskipa se brand lesi si promotayo kata fulana rena mona smart ladies i3. Uthi si promote awushozi abele isikhathi ukuthi vele sishayise because kaningi besenza kuma 8 hours or 7 hours kuya ngokuthi I brand futhi si mask until isikhathi bani or kuya ngokuthi I mall I busy until what time. Uthi okay awushozi ha kuzomunye ubaba so ugqoke all black uthi asibulisa ladies njani siyaphila uthi befuthi ambiza ukuthi hayi buya so like ro explain le kanto re etsangu yabona. The guy was so interested wakhuluma nabathi I'm busy ngifuna ukuthenga some things lana ngijahele uya la event thing, so ladies give me ama number wenu then ngizokhulumicate nani yabona. Uthi so idress sabo kumupha ama number because abuthi wabhela all black kali amazasa black. Uthi sabo kumupha ama number uthi aspect athi nisaba ini ngasaba nina niyangazi ukuthi ngubani ma yabona. Or awushozi relebelana are motsebe motho ka ufela rele 3 so singamupha ama number. Uthi brothers vele ahambe angene mall vele aphuma hambe yabona angasho next makaphuma. Uthi okay sharp how isikhathi sihamba ngathi bisele bo ma 30 minutes ukuthi vele nathi sishayise ubrothers abuye makabuya manje usana 2 guys yabona. Uthi ladies nisala namanamba namathi yabona. So uthi makaza with these 2 guys ne the other guy will take it to nina like ngasaba thina maras like narojwa eventing and like we are connected to abantu abayenza le event, so nisaba ini kulobona. or awusizivele ngidecide mina uLebogang uthi ngidecide ngiphi brothers lo ocela ukuqala ama number lo kuyelo bithu uthi ngimuphi contact number yami ngithi okay uzosifonela ke uthi sharp abonge vele ahambe or awusizi like sengikhohliwe mina ngalisting ngisho sishayise sizele endlini how uthi sihleli mantombazana ke Saturday uthi sihleli sipheni ukuthi mara singaya kuphi yabona uthi kule ama brands lawa so promoter bakubhadela immediately if ever like ngiceda today and then balibhadela today bongasini ukuthi nizomela after 2 weeks or nizomela end of the month yabona so sinemali we want to go out or awusoze ratlhapa vele re banyana ratlhapa right ngekotswa out kahle besithi siyodla and ngiceda asiqeda ukudlalana sihamba ke salapho othi sihambe vele sizikhiphe kanjalo awusoze masilaphayana kumnandi hayi homonato brothers uyafona lo wasemini ngimeza amanamba wami amanamba wami emini uthi yafona athi ngikhuluma noLebogang yabona usise athi yebo so athi ukuphi because ngiyazwa ngathi kuyarasa ukuthi ngimtshela ukuthi sikuphi mina namantombazana benginawe mina vele sisayide ukuthi sifuna ukudla out sizikhiphe shaboy okay was like I'm around the area kungakhona ngalo ukuthi ngiyeza nala majita bengihamba nawe mina or awusuzi kesahana you can come through if you want to I uthi guy vele at okay give me about 15 minutes I'll be there uthi 15 minutes idlule uthi sihleli vele amalady siyabatshela amalady uthi hayi uGuy uthi uzozana labantu laba abasemini hayi singabe nenkingi si 3 abuGuy bazayina by 3 alright vele sihlali vele bafike vele basipulisa decent guys basipulise kube monate how uthi sihleli lapha yana siyachila so uGuy lo engimuphi nami like ubusy ko phone ufona kaningi uyangaphandle kaningi ubusy ko phone uthi ngiyambuza ukuthi usebenza ngefone na uthi no ngisebenzela someone so this person kahle ngimtshele ngawe so like waba interested uwe so uyongifonelayo so like ufuna ukubuza ukuthi ungakhona like to step outside kancane sizokhona ukukhuluma kahle then sizohlangana naye ngaphandle for awusiyosikile ukuthi how lo sofuna ukungijona masinye so uthi hayi wena sofuna ukungijona uthi no angeke ngijona I promise ngashiya like I can leave my phone here ngiyeze one of your friends ama phone wami and then ngizohamba ke and then sizobuya ngizocollect alright bele ngihamba ngizwe ubani lo like ufuna ukuthi like ngimbone ngaphandle yabona asihamba uzombona ngaphandle or awusozi vele siphuma vele kunemoto vele eminyama vele ime ngaphandle but ayingamanga direct la sikhona like a distance nyana from la sikhona uthi umuntu avula umnyango angene ngaphakathi mangithi claps yo ngikhuluma kanjani le ndaba wathi angithi claps one of abasiphethe la South Africa mara like laba abaphansi yo mara ngathi ngikhuluma kanjani le ndaba izongihlula yazi abantu abasiphethe like ihotla lelutshwere ngo South Africa but akasi umuntu o top laba ba top but ukumihlile yabona uthi awu ngimbona ukuthi mara this guy vani ngimbona izindabeni vani ngimbona eTV hayi nyamazi yabona uthi vele ngibulise like gidumelise ka thombo and what I was choosing nako ke diapere short ya ke ya leta ka fishnet ka skipenyana sa crop top se shishu or like I'm just simple and to next and or motho ona ka mothombo I didn't think ukuthi ngahlangana nabantu abaso ngigcoke kanje yabona uthi ngizijaji immediately uthi ubrother sathi no baby girl don't stress okay Nina uthi vele ngivume awusijosi ukuthi ngiyaphila njani athi ngiyaphila ngitsendele this person ukuthi akukhulumisa emini so naqhoma so I decided ukuthi let me hunt you down so now that you are here singakhona ukukhuluma la what else was kimaketso robolela like mina being interested kulu guy bamthumile bengasi interested ho ntate urutseng mo stulu ampotsa ngore bekiswenka uguy bamthumile mina I didn't want to give uguy ama number wami yabona uthi athi ekse ngicela space akutshela that guy that I was interested in at a space sale sithu emotweni uguy vela jike vela bele ngaphakathi ku my friends ngisale no guy emotweni bekana olo amina ngaphandle nale driver or awusithi vele uguy ngitshela ukuthi interested he wangata he umbonekile ngoyena umu right for yena Girl awushosi ngisale nalo baba emotweni baba ngitshela ukuthi interested yena wanirata utomfaka bophelo ba luxury if I allow him ukuthi abe empilweni yami uyangicela or awushosi like bengishocked uncomfortable kamor kokuloyini engayazi kusebusuku ngisha abantu bamemuva or like uncomfortable to be honest now it's like bengingekho lapha khuluma like bengimbhengiza usibaba ungakufuna nemntwaneni because of kisalina mentality ela yawuzwa komahayini ngore bathu abagolora ba respect like as umuntu omkhulu akabi boyfriend yakho kuloba like benginale mentality uthi vele ukayabona ukuthi vele uncomfortable athi ngiyabona ukuthi ocabanga abangani bakho ukuthi ngizokujona so take my card ne kusasa emini ungifonele or ungibhaze mina ngizokufonela feel comfortable you can call me at any time and if you need anything just give me a call I'll call you back awushozi ngibona ukuthi lo hayi mara uthi ngibonge vele uthi ngicela vele ngithi uthi wait ngicela ukuphuma ngicela uhamba vele athi okay no it's fine you can go uthi vele ngiwalk ngihambe uthi vele mangifika vele ngingena lo kayilo vele ungishiya emotweni vele yena aphuma angitshela ukuthi baba isisi vele baphumena lama guys la bahambe sisale si3 uthi ngibacela bangani bami ukuthi yini ngihlangane noSibanibani benginayo emotweni uSibanibani uthi now interested okanrata or kimfonele tomorrow if I need anything ngimfonele yena uzonginceda ngithanda uthi one of my friends was like hey manje wena wathini aunt or ngabatshela ukuthi hey mina bengithukile phela umuntu lo muntu omdala mina ngivele ngaba uncomfortable angitshela ukuthi angibona ukuthi uncomfortable so ngamcela ukuthi ngicela uhamba what no it's fine I can go but ngimfonela uthi my friend was like bengwena ukuthi uqome same time wena ashe kuphotha ihla high one mungaheki you know what what's like my friends wami angipompe ukuthi wena qoma lo muntu uhlokena monguphilo umuntu hotspot odulungitsele right awona uthi awushozi hayi vele singasahlali vele nalapha sihleli khona vele sicabange ukuthi aqomsihambe vele uthi sihambe uthi like this thing like ichikachike more like in my mind the whole night uthi malo baba lo like ubona indlala mina ngimntwana ngisasifundele like ubatla ikilobona uthi hayi the following day vele abangani bamanje ukuthi wena WhatsApp lo muntu angeke phela sihlupheke wena ukhona shithi lo ntombazane ithikithi yawo from poverty malabangane asabangani bazolahletha lichomi uthi awusithi vele ngeWhatsApp ubrothers vele WhatsApp back vele angibuza ukuthi ngibani abona ngitshela ukuthi no I'm the girl bona emotweni last night you said I can call you or pass you mangifuna ukukhuluma nawe guy was like oh okay when can we meet uthi guy angibuze straight uthi singahlangana nini phela ngifuna ukubona daylight sikhona ukukhuluma kahle because steady abesanga sikhona ukukhuluma uthi ngithi because of like it's Sunday and ngikhona we can meet up uthi guy athi mina ngisisela no hotel room yami I can organize my driver to come and pick you up what else was the driver ikontsiya uthi ngithi okay Emma ngizokuphendula in few minutes ngigijime ngibuza ugele ngenze kanjani udriver uthi uzongithumela udriver ukuthi azongilala ngelo like axola ubhayiza wena man hlapa ulukise umuntu waxolada kanti wayefuna ukuzibhayizisa yabona uthi vele ngiresponde ngithi no ngasend driver izongilanda okay I was like okay ungangiphinela ilocation so that the driver azokhona ukulanda in 20 minutes to ngithi okay sharp akusuze ke uthi ungabona ngavula wardrobe yami ngahugula yonke izimpahla ngazilahla phansi ngazi ukuthi ngiqokini phela now I want to dress to impress kilobona because now sengiya intentionally angisafanga sesene fear ukuthi ke motho ngiholo or what asuze ilebelele ngibheka izimpahla zami ngithuze vele a decent dress ngiqoke yona but short but it's not that short yabona ngiqoke na ngiphaca uthi vele driver vele bangifonela bathi driving ngaphandle uthi vele ngiphume ngibele emotweni vele ba driver vele kuyo hotel room yakhe uthi mangifika lapha asuze asi hotel room reqoyetseng a decent one open space or like utlare ke ntlo mara ko hotel or was smart I was just naked home yibona into so uthi masifika lapha na vele ngithole vele hlele ku lounge yakhona ku hotel room uhleli lapho uthi angitshela ukuthi ufuna ini I can order for you anything you want ore a swes ke sa tsebe ka nore ke batla coke ore motho wa gae o motho wa gae o mbona from a distance gore o yena o tswa gae ore ngathi mina ngicela coke ti wangibuza coke nani ngathi coke iwani right ntombazane labakange yabona uthi hayi okay shapang lethele vele isiphuzo vele uGuy vele acele vele abantu abamsebenzelayo ukuthi baphume vele bazomela kulobhi thina sisahlala sithu sikhuluma lasho zibrother sangitshele yena unalemsadi unale bana but wafuna umuntu like uzoba like the trophy girlfriend uzohamba naye kuma events uzohamba naye anywhere if ever I'm interested ngaba igirlfriend yakhe angangisponsora in anything that I want angangisponsora but mina need to be faithful to him ngazi ukuthi uye makangifuni yangithola akafuni ukuthi ngihambe emaklabini akafuni ukuthi ngiye anywhere ngibe like exclusive to him alone uthi vele angitshele vele angichazele like that if you're interested uzongitshela manje ke before ngihamba because I'm leaving tonight ngiyahamba so if you're not interested ngitshela ke ugel uri awusuzi ampotoro don't support don't rakela everything that I want uthi like yonke into singe process amakhuluma so I'm processing everything singazibona vele lapha yana nami singishop e10 what awusuzi vele ke dumele ngithi no it's fine angibuza ukuthi unomuntu na what awusuzi ngaleso sikhathi bengana muntu ngithe ukuthi no anginamuntu are you sure ukuthi awunamuntu uthi ngimtshela ukuthi no mina nginamuntu phela kusekudala ngifikile ngapha nakijoko kai uthi ngimtshela like life history yami ngivela kuphi umntwana msikake ekhaya in kwenzakala ngikwenza ngiyafunda mina ngize ngapha ngiyafunda but ngama weekends ngiyapromote ngitshela athi ungasaphindi promote ukuthi promote lo promotela abantu lapha basaphindi promote uyeke nalomsebenzi bakubhadala malini ku promotion kulamuntu izinto zakho zokupromote kubhadala charity usapromote selo uthi vele ngimtshela charity ngani so lona kwa the whole day kulthathi hayi ungasaphindi promote uri awusuka sokuyeka kami uthi ngipromote one day kwabe sekuquita kwami promote uthi hayi sivumelane ke awusuze uthi umuntu after sesivumelane saqala uyangicabuza ora awusuze lo muntu lona ngimazi ngimhlangane naye isosuku namuhla manje zina safuna ukuthi sicabuzane uthi sicabuzana umuntu uyaqala ke idress lakhuphuka idress lifuna ukusuka ubatla whole ngenzani okungikhumulisa wabona uthi ngithi no I'm comfortable for the guys Antori I know baby girl be comfortable canteen be comfortable or also zivele ke hani or like vele ke joma khaying I'm that person uthi vele ngali uthi vele ahleke vele angibheki yabona athi ufuna ubatla inkofi engoro allow for ngene emathangeni wakho or also zikibona wona muthosele o ke ntato mojongo saso uthi vele ngali ngithi if ever sizoyenza lento lo sizoyenza ngililanga on my terms but not today uthi vele abona ukuthi vele ngiyala uthi okay no baby girl ngizolalela wena ngisho manje sozenze umuntu Steve ngizolalela wena uthi hayi vele sithile nyana qedalana ngithi ngithi mina ngicela uhamba because I need to prepare kusasa vele ngesikolweni uthi brothers vele ngabe nenkinga athi kimi athi check lapha ebhekeni uthi there was this bag like isemphethe la check lapha ebhekeni keep imali edingayo and then mina nawe so communicate man what I was just actually go picking or the 200 rand the 100 rand so the stake by stake what I was just kisatsi or kitche 500 rand or kitche the whole bundle ya chelete brothers was like thatha yonke le bundle one ngiyawubonisa or if ever uzoba umuntu wami uzophila impilo so eke start go enjoy yourself and enjoy with your friends but remember ukuthi sikhulume ngani kuba exclusive kimi ngiwani and awusa promote and mangokufuna ngikuthole baby girl or awusuzi akube agreement ethu kitse chelete ngigenze ko bekenye ngibeketsa komnyako ari ngiqhabuza udate ngicabuzwa udate ngiphume ngomnyango ngiyapha or awusuzi kusho ukuthi lento da isile uthi ngifike lapha yana ku hotel room yakhe bekagcoke white gown kamofase nasapara selo or like nali butsoro ko bangwa yana o lo gore ka first time first day first everything give a first everything or awusuzi ngibo ukuthi baba usile only thing ayibatlang ko gore balele 900 netunya ka ntho ke na le yona fela uthi hayi vele ngimcabuze ke vele ngiyapha or awusuzi ari tawusunye date umuntu ukhumuli uthi awusuzi lo muntu lona makathi ngimcabuze ugcoke igama unoyemelela so like more hathiba uthi ngibone everything ngamcabuza or awusuzi ngaphuma or awusuzi angihambala kuma corridors kilobona uthi like ke magale ke renta tomaro nyakomponza uthi like ngibe shocked uthi mangisahamba phela ngisahamba ngathi ngiphuma nala ku hotel room yakhe what I was choose angisendele vele isithombe vele sobaba omdala what I was choose andrumele are you missed out on this bangithi this akintato moholo when I was choose irikulo bona like ubonele ntato nana le sorry mara ngizokhuluma mina story saka sisi arikulo bona le ntato na leng mirire migreko mopile I was just ke maketsi gore mina a 19-year-old e batlang le bana ba bakana lo bona uthi awushozi mangihamba angitshele athi kune rally go playing engwa so the following weekend so I need to prepare myself ngingazana bangani bami uzongiorganizela imoto so that we can go down there sonke no problem uthi vele athi kimi athi uthathele imali like buy yourself nice things unuke kamnandi ube fresh ube phila cause nizohamba nizongena ku VIP area all the way ura was okay uthi vele ngitshela bangani bami ngithi ubrothers chelete asambeni shopping this weekend sahamba sakurali ura was my friends naba ngisho besijoine this thing ehorera promote nabo bayeke promote because of inkari sihlala siyoba busy kulo bona lebathona lengithelete vele uthi lo omunye lesothula uthuli ngoba uthanda izinto ebekathi ngizophuma ku poverty athi yeyisayeka lemsangano lesayenza sokuma every day the whole day lapha nisayeka so ukuchomethu connected nabantu abanemali what else choose sami se shopping vele nabo ngibashophele vele ukuthi babe bahle phela silungisa ino lesilungisa isenze neikope relay manala what else choose weekend ara level ifihle what else choose bani ubone like kuma kodi rallying or kodi la kulizinto lezi important kuba nalamantombazana amahle asexy but you can see with bayang but they are there I was one of those girls I was just at level even if udlala ball ngoba khona lamantombazana ku VIP sections abahla baphusha amaphuza ama champagne or I was one of those girls uthi bengi like bophelo ba VIP all the way besele ngibujwayele because of brothers was making sure hore ya goteng moya ngoteng we go uthi awusijosi ayikenti fike vele asi driver vele eze vele ngeviana ngisho lama Mercedes Benz la athi vele eze vele azosilanda vele silande ora awusijosi una champagne basilo ukuthi enjoy ladies ora awusijosi vele reko ralling rapele keeper kali short kali sneaker ora awusijosi na ukire sneaker sa Gucci or ke le ka sneaker sa Gucci ke smart emirere touch my ass uthi brothers vele makangibonela from a distance uthi angwale WhatsApp ari my baby like omuhle thank you uthi awusijosi nako re le moraling phela utse gore nna le motho ara kopana ntho ke tsebang ke kiss le gore ke bona tate mogolo ka matlo fela what is Josie I really vele maphela vele uthi labantu laba mababa if bayambukela ne like bane entrance yabo bangena ngayo like abangeni nge-entrance ingena nga everyone so mina mangihamba ngama no brothers ngena nge-entrance lengena nga everyone uthi ingajampisi and then uyongena ngale nabantu bakhe then mina ke ngenyonyoba ke ngiyongena ngalena kulahla la khona ora awusijosi morale ngene le rally libeseki uthi one of abangani bakhe vele ba connecte nabangani bami laba bayithi ngihamba nabo ba connecte nabo kube nabo ukuthi manje sesebusuku phela di driver ama driver basithatha so abathile bangasibukhelanga ku rallying because they knew ukuthi siyoba skepa labo bonke laba bayi3 uthi awusijosi mina vele bangitshela ukuthi ombitsa ntate kanhlela and then laba bayi2 se ba connecte nabangani bami labangani baka brothers ba connecte le dichomtsaka bathi bona bayahamba basayochila okay sharp sihlukane phela sesibadala ngisho umuntu wa dikhethele ke life choices sa gage uthi mina vele ngihambe ke ntate mkholo for awusijosi immediately mangena ngale ku hotel room eha brothers akangaqokanga arobert white gown umuntu nje or onje uemetselna or awusijosi kiribotso uri no what sibindi yaphilisa sibindi yabulala ngiyangena lehlathi ngiyangena ngithanda lempilo ngiyisengiphilayo sengiexpose iyo ngiyayithanda or awusijosi ngobe khothi vele ngingena ngithi shower phuma shower ke tsokeliso or ntato nya ko months or ke nama or awusijosi isinto sisenzayo kumnyameni singabantwana ngoba shocked or ntato from that day like aba hooked kona aba hooked aqala ke aba obsessed aba-obsessed bekunomuntu ongigadayo akuya kusikolo ngibona lo muntu waphila ngilena ubona like bebangitracer everywhere I go. What I was not didn't know ukuthi they can even trace ifone yakho bayakhona ukuyithepha ifone yakho ukuthi balalele to everything. I didn't even know that uGayi bekakwenza lokho the way beka so obsessed. What likely kana nekisa jolly like being concentrated kuye I1 because of the life bekangipha yona. What I was besihamba akubabhala like bobafana bafana so ama-game serious kudlala ama-international players. What I was some international soccer teams which we will go or beke phela ke le mo ke go VVIP only events I will go to VVIP which like bengsele abantu abaningi besele ngibazi like on a personal level but babanti babaling mushung or thule ngo South Africa beba sele ba bengibazi because of the beba khona ukubona and naye phela beka ba tip or ningababamba bonke but ulo umusoso sokwakha ikilobona. What else was it kube impilo ukuthi siyaphila ke sesi-entertainer nalamakhehla nabo friends wami nabo sebahooked nabo namakhehla othi bekuphilo impilo siyiphila uthi sasuka eRes awushozi besele umunye nomunye bekana apartment yakhe umuntu nalikolo ya high awushozi mina umuntu wami bekasela serious ngempilo between mina naye kodwa ke babatla gore ke phile bophelo bo right because abuthi besetse unrata kanet and nambe ngibona ukuthi angithanda kodwa awushozi umuntu wangenzela i-card lami bengine card lami bengispenda each and every amount engifunayo bengamceli kodwa awushozi nanhlonga yakhe bophela ulinking bekena lomuntu wanqinelanga kodwa awushozi nasesikoleni besele like ngileka because of beshekile ngoyano it girl bengasakhona concentrate esikoleni. What I was choose sihambe vele kubani event vele in international artist esa eMzansi ngicela ukuthi you know what I just want to go there and enjoy myself nabangani bami. Uthuka I was like no awuzohamba no driver yami ahambe ayokudropa aphinde ahambe agade aphinde akulethe endlini. Or awushozi besithi phela gore bophelo besithi phela bophelo like sebiyang bantwalela akisakhona like be myself be free ngiphile le ngifuna ngikhona because mangathi uyaphuma emall fana umtsho ukuthi kuyamall mall wenzani uya ku pistol like ngoba kunabantu abamsebenzela uthi each and every time uhamba uzobona ukuthi ukhona umuntu okubhekile but ungasisho ukuthi ukubhekeleni up until angitshele one day ukuthi if ever ungatry into snacks my guys will let me know which ones into this now. What I was choosing one time we go gym because ben gym so mang gym uGayi kaningi bekangangena gym like bekahlalela emotweni so agijima so there was this guy ne what I was choosing this guy like we kill interested go yena shem and no wintanga yami we type yam our body wise the whole everything abona uGayi vele aqala vele angitsiphelile ihlo ngicela nami ngitsiphe bheka ngismile all amalanga hamba uGayi vele ayenze angicela number yami. Or I was just next time nakho like ba tracker phone aka ba tape iphone yami bengingazi nakho tshimo uthi ngiphukayo vele amanamba uGayi mina vele sicela vele sitexane I'm interested in you in zinto ezinjalo ngicela ukuhlangana nawe. Or I was just ngazi ukuthi ngiyophuma kanjani endlini because of bathu babancheka ngoba uthi ngithi uGayi ngithi you know what I can try to meet you but mina umuntu wami like umuntu strict so ngisaba ukuthi uzongibona. uGayi was like no Lena I'm married I do have a wife so maybe ukuthi if sathandana sibe discreet ngilobona uthi vele kube indaba sokuthi vele like Lena sethi ke batla umbona like because of like I'm so interested in him na abe na this edge ukuthi ke batla bona wena o ke batla bona wena o ke batla bonana or I was just kube nelanga la kuba khona ne rally somewhere else so brothers was like asamita mina ngiyabhala ngeke ngikhona uhamba ngizosala ubona kwaba i-chance yami le weekend ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngiyobona uGayi uthi uGayi vele wahamba ngoba sejwayele ukuthi hayi i-routine impilo akusiya ukuthi uphila iphi impilo or awusuzi khayatsa mayile uri nakehlakana le Gayi saphuka ku this Airbnb or awusuzi life was lifing bukhole mnati I enjoyed myself kwaba mnandi kanjalo uthi mina noGayi sisaqala ke sisendela namanothi kanti uGayi wabona dilutsekiditsa ngofuna unyaka he sees everything that I do efonini mina I didn't know. Uthi vele uGayi athi kimi angibuze athi ka weekend no le Gayi makabuya vele uthi ngimbona ukuthi ukwadile athi ka weekend no le Gayi ngimbuza ngithi why yobona ngimbuza nami ngeattitude back awushozi vele ngithi hayi bengikhona endlini bengifunda vele ngiphike yabona ngisenza inhleva phela ngiphika ngithi mengikhona endlini uthi mina noGaye vele $1 nalwaduka or like kumnandi mina noGaye kumnandi vele every chance I get vele ngihlangana naye ejimini because I know ukuthi the driver akangena ejimini, so like it's the only chance that we have together yabona. So uthi ngihlangana naye ejimini each and every day, or awushoza umuntu vele masihlangana vele makabuya vele athi ngithi bokuphi ngeweekend, uthi ngiphike vele ngithi bengifunda athi azange ngiphume endlini na, azange ngiphume endlini, uthi nambele ngibe ngale attitude le ukuthi azange ngiphume endlini, ngaphuma ngapha because ngitshela ukuthi ngiyofunda, that's why ngahamba nganawo. Kodwa awushozi uGaye vele angibheke ahleka, wena yazi ngithatha kancane kodwa awushozi nami ngizikhiphe serious, uthi but ngiyasaba ukuthi lo or khona umuntu omtshelile, but nje ukuthi angeke ngizijampisele, ngizophika vele ngizophika. Uthi uGaye athi kimi athi abize this guy umsebenzelayo, athi lethi phone yami lapho, avule ifone. Or awushoza abula phone like the chats saka dinepe di notes saka brothers everything yaka brothers ivele efonini yakhe athi kimi athi ngicela ukubuza ucina bokuphi. Or awushozi limonere likotenye beatrace location yaka antatula gore ne ke le ko kae keeper exactly la benkhona angibuthi ngithi kanti futhi ukuthi bokuphi. Or awushozi ngisikhehla isikhalo ngithi ngiyaqolisa ngone le moment of weakness. Or awushozi lo muntu lo yanana athi kimi athi okay ngoba uthi axolise ngene emotweni sihambe. Uthi bengigcoke like ama dresses, a black dress ne efishane ngama slippers. Uthi awushozi like ngiyagibele as if ngathi robolela kuyabuwa kilobona. Uthi awushozi athi gibele, uthi ngibele uthi kune driver nalo muntu omsebenzela C4 naye C4 emotweni. Uthi vele mla emotweni vele uthule uthi uthi ngibona ukuthi umuntu lo ukwatile ngaze ngibulale yabona. Uthi some all awushozi re khondlo engwa like kilobona lezinto lezi like kuma suburbs but sectain but akuhlala abantu khona. Uthi ngiyelapho athi angisho wena ufuna ukungikhomba ukuthi mina ngislima for trusting you, for loving you, for investing in you, ufuna ukungikhomba ukuthi ngislima, let me show you ukuthi nami ngiyakhona ukuba nenhliziyo embi. Or awushozi masifika lapho kuza abafana abayi4 bahlike vele emotweni bafike. Uthi ufike manje sesi 8 ithi besi4 nalabafana abayi4. Uthi bafika abafana abayi4. Or awushozi athi kimi athi khumula bonke bamile, so athi khumula atshele vele umuntu athi ngithi etshela lo muntu ukuthi ngithi akhumule. Or awushozi ngikhale ngithi ngiyacela baby ngiyacela ngiyakupela athi ngithi khumula. Or awushozi vele sengimela lapha ngisole ngithi ngiyacela ngilithwere so or ngiyacela uthi ngiguca ngamadolo. Uthi atshele vele one of those guys abafikile before athi khumulani nomuntu. Or awushozi bangistripha naked or bangihlubula vele kasala kalipuna kodwa ungisala ngepuna athi mfasenda empedeni. Or awushozi bangiklema or bebangiklemile kulongwaleli solo athi bebangingamutshi. Uthi bangingamule empedeni athi mlaleni noyifom laleni. Or awushozi bashemane balene ngathi bebaphuza amapilisi ukuthi vele bazolala nami. Uthi bonke bangilala. Or awushozi kawufela banrobala sibaka sestel or banrobala antsala uthi kostolong antebelete. Or awushozi banrobala bathola banrobala thi ngisena ukuthi ngagcina sengiyableed qeda lathi me again bangifasulula athi me again da. Or awushozi qeda lokuphuma wahamba ngakedo wahamba. Or awushozi my phone went blank. Phone yami yadelete yonke into engaphakathi, yonke into yami yadelete, yonke evidence everything yadelete. Abangeka lapha awushozi bohole bushiwo banhlohela mola angazi umuntu lapha yana. Awushozi uthi ngahlala lapha empedeni ngathi you know what, I will sleep here until ekseni, then I will leave in the morning because nalabe siyekhona angikwazi mangithi ngiyaphuma. Or awushozi phone yaka iblank ayinasilo, it's blank. Uthi ekseni mangivuka vele ngivuke vele ngihambe nginyawo ngibe. Or awushozi akathwara chelete akathwara pesa akathwara nothing, bengigcoke irock ngisho ukuthi siyaphuma ngiyabuya. Uthi awushozi kitsa mic okay. Uthi ngihlangana vele nomunye ibhudi vele ngimtshela ukuthi no ngilahlekile ngiyagub. Brother was like hey mina the only help I can give you ngathatha ngiyobeka position, then position yibo banga assist. Or awushozi ke position. Uthi mangifika position ngicabanga ukuthi mangithi ubani they will never believe me they will never believe me. Ngibatshela ngithi hayi no bengilahlekile uthi ngisusele story ukuthi ngadle nguliwe ukwenzakalani uthi vele ngiphume uthi bengilahlekile lesigangeni ngistudent group bengicela usizo angina even imali uthi kube na this one police woman athi yimi athi sisikhuluma iqiniso kwenzekeni bophuzile izolo ebusuku ukhona umuntu ukubambe ngendlela ongayifuni ukhona umuntu okudlengulile uthi vele angibuze like those relevant questions abe consent abe mutswadi ngabona uthi ngithi no like bengiphuzile but ngilahlekile akekho umuntu ongenza into snacks I just want to go home because batshontsha yonke into yami nefoni yami nayo ayisebenzi angazi what's going on uthi vele usisilovu athatha imoto athi ema ngikhaphe awushoze angikhaphe awushoze angikhaphe ayongishare le ndaweni yami uthi vele ngifike vele ngibonga athi uhlala lana mara u student unemali uhlala lana uthi ngithi ayabazali bami bayangibhadalela athi okay athi mntwana ungazithengisi ngiyacela ungazithengisi kuma Nigeria ungazithengisi asho kanjalo uthi deep inside my heart or asatsebore into ebulela ke into enikenzekiyetha but bengayenzi nomuntu wangaphandle bengenza nomuntu important wala ne South Africa uthi ngithi angeke mama uthi mangithi angeke mama ngiyajika ngale likelele sithi already tholokore the road or awushozi that was the last time ngikhuluma nalo baba azange saconnectana azange sangifonela mangithi ngiyamfonela inamba yami ayingeni ungiblockile uthi awushozi ilapho ngabona khona kaRebophelo o very spiritual uthi ngadropa out nasesikolweni because I didn't want to see him I didn't want to bump into him ngadropa out I went back home azange bachazela ukuthi what really happened abese ngiya-applyela ke kwezinye igolo ngiya-applyela ngadecliniwa urikabereka retail awushozi I had to ukuthi ngisibudgetele imali ukuthi ngizise esikolweni uRebophelo bakabo bethile 360-10 in 1 year batlhakatlhakana in 1 year or awushozi ngabe singahamba singicala ngomntombazane sonto ngiyekela utshwala awushozi or kasama ka check amalweji ka checka nganoni treatment ukuthi if ever like labafana laba bangabe banginfectile bebe uthi right or awushozi kamatla modimo ke right but I've learned the hard way ukuthi ungayithandi impilo ngasinge yakho ungafuni ukuba everywhere wena everywhere ukhona ungafuni because of nthongo le ngoyidirang mo lefaseng ina le moputso tsa angina mantsho